In this video, we are going to see about binary decoders and what is the definition of this decoder, and we have to write a code for this decoder using three different style of Verilog coding. So first of all, the definition of this decoder, and basically this decoder generate 2 to the power n, maximum of 2 to the power n output lines for n input lines. So here a binary n or m row decoder accepts an n input control word and activates one of the m output lines while the other m-1 lines are not affected. So for n bit control word, it activates one of the m output lines while other lines are not affected. And there are two types. An active high decoder sets a 1 on the selected line and keeps the other at 0. And active low decoder is just the opposite, with the selected line reset to 0 while the remaining lines are at 1. So this is active high 2 to 4 decoder, and this is set the selected line. If you want to select this D0, it set the D0 to 1 and remaining all are set to 0. And this type of decoding is known as active high decoding. For a particular control line, if you want to select one value, set that value to 1 and reset all the values. So set all the value to 0, the particular value only set to 1, and this is active high decoder. Similarly, active low 2 to 4 decoder, if you want to select this D0 is reset, that is set to 0, and all other values are set to 1. And this is known as active low 2 to 4 decoder. And consider this is the circuit implementation of 2 to 4 active high 2 to 4 decoder using 2 input NOR gate implementation. So this is a circuit. Now we are going to write a code for this circuit using 3 different coding style. So first we consider, so this is the equation, logic expression of this D0. When this D0, we can select this D0 when the control lines are S1 plus S0 bar. That is for 0, 0, we will select this D0. And for D1, this is a condition. For D2, this is the condition. And D3, this is the condition. So now based on that, we have to write the code. So first, using structural description. So first we have to declare the module. And inside that module, we define the input and output. And here input are S0 and S1. Output are D0, D1, D2 and D3. And this is structural description. We are define the function using gates. And here we are using 2 input NOR gate. So here gate is NOR. So NOR, and if you want to give gate name, any name to differentiate the gate, number of gate involved in the design, you have give any name for each gate. Otherwise without this gate name also, it can perform perfectly. But differentiating each operation, we will give this gate name. So NOR x1, so this is for D3. The NOR function of D3, the control line is S1 bar plus S0 bar, and this is a condition for D3. So we write this in code not S0, comma not S1, and this is representing inversion operation, that represent inverter. So in code we give not S0, comma S1. And similarly for D2, that is S0 bar plus S1. And this is the condition for D2. So here declare not inversion of S0, comma S1. And similarly we can find D1 and D0. And D1 is the output, and these are the control lines for getting this D1 output. And we finally end the module. This is behavioral modeling and using case statement. For case statement, if the select line is here, we are using 2-bit select line. 1:0 means 2-bit. We are using 2-bit select line. So the select line is 0 means we select D0. And we will give all the value. D0 is equal to 1, D1 is equal to 0, D2 is equal to 0, D3 equal to 0. When the select line 1's, D1 becomes 1. When the select line is 2, D2 become 1. When the select is 3, D3 become 1. And we just end the end module. And they miss some points here. And after this case statement, we have to give begin here. and also we have to end this case. So before that end module we have to end this case. Also we have to give a always block here. So always give any condition. If you want clock, give always at positive clock or negative clock edge, then only this case statement will activate. And this is the general method using this case statement, and this type of modeling is known as behavioral modeling. And this is a code for active low, active high 2 to 4 decoder using NOR gate. And here I am going to write a code in data flow modeling, and here assign is the keyword, and the model definition is similar to structural and behavioral modeling, so I just skip that steps. So here assign D naught. When we get the D naught, that is inversion of S naught or S1, so otherwise not function of this S0 or S1. So when this is come true, and this is a code for 2 to active high 2 to 4 decoder using NOT gate, 2 input NOT gate implementation. So this is the condition, we will get D0. Similarly assign D1 is equal to, when we get D1, that is S1 or and not of S0. So for this condition we will get this D1 value and semicolon, and again assign D2, and for D2 the condition here is not S1 or S0, and this is a condition for D2. Again assign D3, the condition here is not S1 or of not S0. So this is a condition for D3, and finally we have to end the module. So this is the data flow modeling style for describing the active high 2 to 4 decoder.